How to use Super Grok AI for free. Yes, you heard me right. A lot of people have been complaining that after Grok updated their app and they went ahead to update theirs, they could no longer use Grok for free again, which I'm sure a lot of people are already experiencing that. Now, on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to use Super Grok for free. Yes, let me show you guys. This is my Super Grok. All right, let me go back so that you guys can see it well. Okay, this is the interface when you open it. So let me click on where my profile is to show you guys can see just under where my name is. You guys can see that this is Super Grok. I am using the Super Grok, that's the paid version, but I'm using it for free, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can also do this for free. Now, what I want you to know is, if you want to enjoy Grok as a faceless YouTuber, as a faceless content creator that is doing the AI niche, please make sure you have at least 5 email accounts. Have 5 email accounts so that you can, be switching. Even before this update came in, when Grok was free to some extent, like very, very free, we were using it to switch accounts so that it will meet up with the number of videos we can animate in a day. That is how to move smart. For those of us that can not afford the subscription, that is just the best way to go. When you're now monetized, you can now start buying the paid subscription and all that. But for now, for beginners that you don't even have the money, you can't afford it, please use this particular method and enjoy the Super Grok for free. Now, this is how I went about it. Guys, let me switch back. This is actually a paid version that I'm using for free. Let me log out of this particular account so that I will start from the beginning. Let me show you guys how I was able to do this. So once you download your Grok app, this is the interface that is going to show you if you don't have an account yet. So or if you have account already and you have been switching, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on this continue with Google. Okay, so you click on continue, you allow it to load. It's going to give you list of all your Gmail or email accounts that is in your phone, the ones that you've used to sign into Grok and the ones that you're yet to use. Now, I have quite a number of Gmails that I'm using for Grok. Let me use a different account entirely to log in so that you guys will see that's the account that is not signed into the Super Grok that I'm using, so that you guys will understand the difference. So just pay close attention and make sure you watch this video to the end. Good. As you guys can see, look at it. It went straight to show me the Super Grok plan. That is to tell you that Grok is no longer free. So I'm going to show you how to use this Super Grok for free. For those of you that have 49,900 to pay monthly, this video is not for you. You can go ahead and skip. But for those of you that still want to benefit the Super Grok for free, let me show you guys how I was able to navigate. So let me skip this first so that I will show you guys the status of this profile. Can you guys see this particular profile? Look at it, it's not showing Super Grok. That's to tell you that this is not a Super Grok account. This is not a Super Grok account, and I'm not using Super Grok, and I cannot use this to animate. All right, let me even try animating so that you guys can see what I'm telling you guys. Because of the new update, I can no longer use this to animate. Even if I try, let me see what they will tell me. They will refer me to the subscription page where I need to subscribe. So let me see. Can you guys see? They brought me back to this subscription page where I need to upgrade. Now, this is what you're going to do. Go ahead and click on upgrade to Super Grok. Don't be afraid. Now, as you guys can see, I'm already subscribed in that first account that I showed you guys. So they're not going to allow me to use another account to subscribe until I cancel the subscription for that other account. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on upgrade to Super Grok, and then they're going to show you options where you put in your bank details. Don't be scared, guys. Go ahead and fill your information. They're going to ask you some information related to your ATM card, whether you're using Visa or Valve, anyone you're using. Go ahead and fill it. After filling it, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Don't worry, they are not going to debit you. They are just going to enable you use the Grok AI for 3 days for free. After 3 days, pay close attention. This is what you're going to do. After 3 days, go ahead and cancel it. In fact, you're going to pay close attention to the time that you use to subscribe. Let's assume I subscribe to the free plan 7 a.m. today or 7 p.m. on a Monday. So it means 7 p.m. on a Wednesday, the plan is going to expire. So what you're going to do is you can go back to Grok before 7 p.m. on that Wednesday and cancel it, remove your information from there. After removing your information, what you're going to do now is you're going to switch to another different email and then still use it again to upgrade to Super Grok. Anytime you want to do this, make sure you do this when you have time. Use those 3 days judiciously, guys. Use it to generate as plenty images as you can. Use it to animate so many photos as you can, so that at the end of the day, imagine if you have free 3 days, you times it by 5. That's 3 days each for 5 of those extra Gmail accounts that you created. It's going to help you generate videos, and if you are able to create content that have value, and at least 1, 2 or 3 or any of those videos goes viral and you'll be able to get monetized, guys, it's going to be very easy for you. And then maybe subsequently you can now start paying for the subscription. That was how I was able to do mine. As you guys can see, let me go back to the account that I'm using for Super Grok. As you guys can see, this is the free one. Look at, they're telling me to upgrade to Super Grok in this particular account. So let me sign out. Let me sign in back to that account that I'm using the Super Grok for free. So guys, I'm back to my other Gmail account. I've switched back to the account that I'm using the Super Grok for free. Now look at it. Can you guys see? Look at it showing me Super Grok just beneath again. So let me try to animate a particular image for you guys so that you can see if this one is working, so that you guys will understand what I'm saying. And see. As you guys can see, no restriction. They are not telling me to upgrade to Super Grok because I'm reading the Super Grok and I'm going to be using it for 3 days straight for free, guys. So that is just it, guys. That is just it. So that is just it, guys. Very easy, and you just have to be smart, guys. You guys understand now. You just have to be smart. If this video was helpful, please kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next. Bye.